Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get celestial plants on, Grow a Garden on Roblox. So right now there is like a celestial event here. This one, if there's like a meteor shower, your plants could grow as celestial. Let me just sell everything first. Let me see if I have any moonlit because I don't want to sell that. So I'll just sell my inventory. You can get a lot of money from selling plants that are, I guess, mutated. I'm trying to like find the moonlit ones. I think it's this one. It's very hard to find. I'm not sure actually which one it is. Like the difference between celestial and moonlit for me is a little bit difficult to kind of see. I'm just going to harvest everything at this point because I want to like find the moonlit one. But that's pretty much how you can get celestial plants. Make sure they grow when they're shooting stars. Right now it's just a moonlit event because it stopped with the stars. But just plant it and kind of like open the game when there is like an event, because your fruits will automatically be either celestial or moonlit or just like mutated into whatever event there is currently in the game. That's one big apple. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.